Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about hot water heaters. When I picked up my trailer, uh, I had a complete walk around demonstration from the dealership, and they showed me how everything worked. Almost. So ever since I've been living in this thing, I've been using the water heater in the gas mode, running off of propane, using the switch on the control panel. This one here. So I was kind of wondering if my water heater was dual fuel. And I researched a bunch of YouTube videos and I didn't find anything exact. Of course I read my owner's manual and that is worthless, completely worthless. So I just started investigating, and the first thing that tipped me off was I have a breaker that says water heater and it's AC. So I assumed at that point that I did have a dual fuel water heater. So I did some more investigation outside and I found a switch, an on-off switch in the inside of the cover of the water heater, and then there's also reset buttons in there. So I turned the gas switch off on the control panel, turned on the little toggle switch on the water heater, turned on the breaker, and it's magic. I've got hot water on electric. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. Like I said, probably my own stupidity, lack of knowledge, but kind of thought that would have been something that would have went over when I bought the trailer. So hope it helps somebody else. You guys have a good day. Talk to you later.